Hello, my name's Alyn from ScanTexas. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit of a story about how we've helped save a customer some money in their printer repair operations. This is a customer that's a large, well-known tire manufacturer, and here is part of their tire tread label. And I say only part of it for the obvious reasons that today we're not talking about who an exact customer is, just what we've done to help them. We feel that anybody can just sell you barcode equipment. But if your vendor hasn't provided you any money-saving ideas or help in the past number of years, why aren't you looking for a new barcode vendor? Anyways, what we did was basically do an audit of all the printers that were under service contract compared with all of the preventive maintenance activity and repair activity. So we were able to isolate for this customer 9 printers that were not used anymore, and we took them off a contract. I know it sounds like a small thing, but we just want to let you know that at ScanTexas, we're always looking out for you and your money and how we can help make you more productive with your use of barcode label technology. This particular solution was tire tread labeling, involved printers, scanners, all on powered carts so we could bring the cart to where the work is. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about what we did for this customer, or more importantly, how we can help you with your operations, please click the link below.